Here's a quick hack if you've injured your finger in jiu-jitsu. So if you do jiu-jitsu, sooner or later, gi or no gi, something's gonna happen. You're gonna tweak one of your fingers. I hurt this finger right now. Somebody fell down, my finger bent backwards. And some of the problems are when you're starting to heal, you don't get full flexion, so it's hard to completely close my hand. But the other really dangerous thing that happens is sometimes the tendon will start to shorten and you can't fully extend your finger. So I stumbled upon this little fix that I do. I take a plate and I have my fingers flat, my thumb on the other side, and I just do curls. So, obviously don't do anything that's gonna cause you severe pain. But what I found is this strengthens my fingers and it helps lengthen that tendon so I won't end up with the short tendon. I'm using 10 pounds. You could get a couple plates, do 20. Back in the day when I used to do this seriously, I think I got up to 45 pounds that I would do. And it's also preventative. It kept my fingers stronger and you'll be less likely to injure your fingers. So give this a try and tell me what you think.